Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D health bar in Godot 4. This health bar appears on the screen over a 3D object, such as an enemy or building, to show how much life it has left. Godot's built-in progress bars make creating a health bar very easy. We will create a new node and change its type to ProgressBar, then resize it. We will center it and name it healthbar 3D. For now, we will set its value to 50 so we can see what both the filled and unfilled parts will look like. And we will check off Show Percentage. Under Theme Overrides, under Styles, we can change the colors of the background and fill of the health bar, and add a border. We will select Style Box Flat. We will keep this color for the background, but add a border. For the fill, we will change the color to red. We will also add a border. We will save the scene. We will right-click on the model we want to add the health bar to, and create a new inherited scene, and save the scene. We will add a SubViewport as a child, and instantiate the health bar as a child. We will select Transparent BG to make the background transparent, and disable 3D, since what we are displaying is only 2D. Finally, we will add a Sprite 3D. Under Texture, we will select Viewport Texture, and select our viewport. Under Flags, under Billboard, we will check Enabled. We will go back to our health bar and set its value to 100, so it will be whole. We will need to remove the health bar and add it again to have the value be 100. Every time you leave the screen and come back, you will see a box over the model rather than the life bar. Don't worry, the life bar will show correctly when you run the scene, but you can reset the texture in the Sprite 3D to see the life bar in the editor again. We will add a script to the scene. We will make a function called takeDamage that will take a variable holding the damage amount. If this amount is greater than the remaining health bar value, we will set it to the remaining health bar value so we won't get a negative number, and subtract this amount from the health bar. To test the health bar, we will add a timer, and on its timeout, we will take 5 damage. We'll add a camera, a world environment, and a light so we can test the scene. We now have health being subtracted every time the timer goes off. In your game, you would probably use this by having an area 3D, and when the area is entered by an enemy, projectile, or other weapon, you would subtract an appropriate amount of health. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.